How to create a Wattpad account. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to sign up into Wattpad account. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. To create a Wattpad account, firstly you must have downloaded and installed Wattpad application on your device. Now open and launch the Wattpad applications on your device. You will land on the welcome screen of Wattpad where you can easily sign up or you can sign in on your Wattpad account. So for now, to create a Wattpad account, we have got three options. That is, either we can sign up with Google, sign up with Facebook, or sign up with email. According to your preference, you can choose any one, but for now, let's tap sign up with email button. And then you will land on the section where you have to tell about yourself, enter your email, username, birthday, and the pronouns. So let's enter everything here. Once done, tap continue button at bottom right corner, and here you need to create the password, re-enter the password, and check mark the boxes for the agreement of terms and services. Now tap on sign up button at the bottom of the screen. If you wish to save your password, you can tap on the save button at bottom right corner or else never. And then you need to verify your email. You have got the email on your email that you have entered, and then you can complete the verification process. This helps keep your account secure, allows you to write on Wattpad, and grant access to social features like commenting. So tap on got it button, and then here you can choose your three favorite genres to read, like and then tap the continue button. To stay connected with notification, here you can tap on the continue button. So let's tap on continue, and here you can easily choose any one that you wish for, and after a while your Wattpad account will be successfully created and you will successfully land on the home page of Wattpad. So that's how we create Wattpad account. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.